In this video, we want to emphasize that you don't always need significant capital investments to increase profitability. Let's look at what can be done at the stage of strategic planning, specifically how to extend the life of an open pit and increase the NPV. We'll consider an example where formulas are used to determine processing costs and the recovery factor. In both cases, the calculations depend on ore quality. The initial lower cutoff grade was set at 12%. Let's review the results of the optimization process. As our target price adjustment factor, we choose the one corresponding to case number 13, where the marginal profit rate is 45% according to the initial settings. The total amount of ore within the final pit shell is 46.3 million tons, the mine life is 10 years, and the NPV is around 1,500 million monetary units. To determine which parameter deserves special attention for improving profitability, we'll run a sensitivity analysis starting with all project variables included. The overall chart shows that the most influential factor is the excavation cost, followed by transportation cost. If we can reduce these expenses, we should do it, and the results will follow quickly. The relationship is almost linear. A more interesting picture emerges when we look at a chart showing only factors related to the final product. As in most cases, we see that the most influential factors are the final product price and the recovery factor of the valuable component from the ore. These are extremely difficult, almost impossible to change. Price depends on market demand, while recovery is directly linked to large-scale capital expenditures. Let's look at other parameters, and here the cutoff grade stands out. To better assess the influence of other variables, we'll build a sensitivity analysis excluding those that dominate the figures. The overall chart will be identical, but the diagram for the final product will look different. Here, it's clear that from a profitability standpoint, the optimal lower cutoff grade should be reduced by 20%. That's not hard to do. We simply increase the amount of ore sent to the plant. The key point is to ensure the plant can receive and process this material. And given that our scenario reflects the real situation, we can reduce the cutoff without risk. To see the result, let's create a similar scenario but change our target parameter by that 20%. Copying the scenario is the easiest way to do this. The copy will be identical to the original, we just make the necessary change and continue. The cutoff grade will be reduced by 3 percentage points, down to 12%. Now let's look at the outcome. The pit shell remains unchanged, but ore within it increases to 67.2 million tons, 21 million more, extending mine life by 4 years. NPV rises to nearly 1,800,000,300 million more than before, and actual profit will be even higher after discounting. So no capital investment, no additional exploration, no extra costs. Simply by analyzing the available information, new opportunities open up. This is exactly why the optimization and strategic planning stage exists, to make sound long-term decisions. Create multiple scenarios, search for opportunities to improve, get positive results, and enjoy them.